Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a snack bar in Android. Snack bar is introduced with material design libraries as a replacement to Toast. There are few differences between a Toast and a snack bar. For example, Toast can be displayed anywhere on the screen, but snack bar can be displayed only at the bottom. There can be no button in the Toast, but snack bar you can have up to one button. And Toast cannot be turned off while displaying, but snack bar can be swiped away before the time runs out. So there are definitely advantages to using snack bar over Toast. Now let's begin our tutorial on how to create a snack bar. First, you need to go to your project settings. In that, go to the dependencies tabs and find the design library of the Android. It must be something like com.android.support design and the version. This dependency will be updated in your build.gradle file and the Android Studio will start to sync it. After sync is complete, you can just verify your build.gradle file for the dependency whether it has been added. Now we can start using these design libraries. First, let's go to our activity main.xml and create an ID for our root layout. In this case, we are having constraint layout as our root layout, and let's give it an ID myRoot. Now next, let's go to the main activity.java. Let's create a constraint layout object and reference the root layout in that. Now let's create a button in main activity.xml so that we can activate our snack bar. In our main activity.java, let's create a reference to that button and set an onClick listener for that. In the onClick method, let's create a snack bar. In the method snackbar.make, let's use the first overload where we first pass in the layout file, that is the constraint layout, then the character text sequence that, say for example, I am snackbar and length of the snackbar and snackbar.show. Now let's run this code in a real device and check what's happening. When we hit our button show snackbar, we can see that snackbar is created at the bottom of the page. Now we can add a button in the snackbar too. For that, go to the main activity.java snackbar.setAction and give it a text for the button. Let's name it button and create a click handler for this. Inside the onClick click handler, we can handle the click event of this button. Let's create a new snack bar after the button is clicked. Now let's run this. As you can see, our snack bar works perfectly, but our button seems to be not visible in this snack bar. So let's change its color right now. Snackbar.setAction text color and pass in the color green so that the button will appear as green color now. Let's check this out. See? Perfect. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and comment for more videos like this. See ya.